Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook keep your account secure or safe. So guys, when you have open your Facebook account and facing this type of issue, that is keep your account safe or keep your account secure. So guys, how can you fix this problem? Easily you can fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you have to go back, and guys, after going to back you have to open your Facebook account. Click on your main profile icon, and guys, click on settings. After this you have to click on, here is the option of accounts center. Simply you have to click on this tab, and here is the option of password and security. And guys, first of all you have to click on change password, and guys, simply you have to change your Facebook password. And guys, after changing your password you have to go back, and guys, second step is you have to check that in which devices you have logged in your Facebook. So guys, after this after checking that, simply you have to remove your Facebook account from other devices. And guys, after doing this you have to go back, and guys, at last simply you have to turn on your two-factor authentication on your Facebook account. So guys, you can use Google Authenticator or any other platform like phone number or Gmail address to activate two-factor authentication. And guys, after this your problem will be fixed and you will be able to use your Facebook smoothly. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.